If you knew that just one sentence, only one, could make her heart race and leave your memory imprinted in her mind for years, would you still rely on empty remarks like, "You look beautiful," or "nice dress"? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into these ideas, let me ask you for a small favor. If this content helps you better understand what goes on in a woman's mind, I'd really appreciate it if you showed your support with a like or by subscribing. It only takes a couple of seconds, and it helps more men discover this kind of insight. And I've got a question for you as well. What city are you watching from? I genuinely enjoy reading your comments and seeing where you're all tuning in from. It helps build a stronger, more connected community. Most men have no real understanding of the power their words carry. They mistakenly believe that attraction is based purely on looks, money, or status. But the truth is very different. What truly makes an impact is how you make her feel. And here's the key point. One of the most underrated tools you have is a well-delivered compliment. Think about it for a second. Have you ever noticed how a woman's entire mood can shift because of something someone said to her? One sentence, delivered at the right moment with the right intention, can completely transform how she sees you, not just temporarily, but in a lasting way. Today you're going to discover 8 compliments that go far beyond the surface. These aren't generic phrases or forced flattery that make you seem needy. These are compliments with psychological depth, ones that trigger something more instinctive in her mind, making her feel seen, respected, and attracted on a much deeper level. And here's the unfiltered truth. If you're throwing around generic compliments like candy, "You're cute," "Nice outfit," "You look great," you become just another face in the crowd, easily forgotten. But when you understand self-control, intention, and the weight behind your words, you realize something crucial. The real power isn't just in what you say, but in how you say it and what it makes her feel. So if you want to level up, stand out from other men, and leave a lasting impression, keep reading. Compliment number 1. That fragrance you're wearing is amazing. It's almost addictive. Your sense of smell is one of the strongest triggers for memory and emotion. A scent can instantly take you back to a specific moment. That's because it's directly linked to the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for emotions. When you compliment her scent, you're not just saying, "You smell good." You're saying, "Your presence stays with me even when you're not here." And that carries serious weight. Most men don't even notice these details, but the one who does shows awareness, attention, and distinction. Compliment number 2. Your smile has a way of lighting up the whole place. This isn't just about her lips or teeth. It's about the energy behind that smile. You're recognizing the emotional effect she has on her surroundings. It's not superficial. It's like saying, "Your presence changes everything." Compliment number 3. I really like how genuine you are. You don't try to fit in. You just are yourself. In a world full of masks, authenticity stands out. This compliment goes beyond appearance and speaks to her essence. You're telling her, "I see who you truly are, and that's what I value." Compliment number 4. I like the way you see things. Your perspective is different. It actually makes me think. Here, you move away from the physical and connect with her mind. You're appreciating her thoughts, her depth. That shifts the interaction into something far more meaningful. Compliment number 5. Your energy is incredible. It actually makes me want to be better. This is a high-level compliment. You're not just saying you like her, you're saying she inspires you. Her presence has a real effect on you, and that's powerful. Compliment number 6. You're really thoughtful. It's clear that you genuinely care about people. Now you're recognizing her character, how she treats others, who she is at her core. It's not a common compliment, which is exactly why it stands out. Compliment number 7. I admire how focused you are. Your determination is inspiring. This acknowledges her discipline, her drive, her purpose. You're connecting with something deeper, her identity and ambition. Compliment number 8. You have a special way of making people feel comfortable and appreciated. Here, you're highlighting her emotional intelligence, her ability to connect with others. You're telling her that her presence positively impacts the people around her. And there you have it. 8 compliments that go far beyond the surface. These aren't just words. They're tools to create connection, respect, and genuine attraction. Because in the end, a woman might forget what you said, but she'll never forget how you made her feel. If you found value in this, don't stop here. Keep learning, keep improving, because it's not about being like everyone else. It's about leaving a mark, one carefully chosen word at a time.